Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that feels like a bridge between eras, where vintage charm meets modern tech, and legacy design gets reimagined for a new generation. This is the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, and it's not just a truck, it's a tribute. A name that first appeared in the post-war era has been reborn for today's world. Not as a relic, but as a bold statement of what retro-modern can look and feel like from the moment you see the 2026 Chevy 3100. It grabs your attention, not with aggressive edges or hyper-futuristic lines, but with a kind of elegance that nods to the original's 1940s roots while wearing a thoroughly modern face. The front end is unmistakable, with a wide, upright grille that echoes the classic horizontal bar design, now reimagined in a brushed aluminum finish that glows under light. The round LED headlights with halo rings feel vintage but high-tech at the same time, and the Chevrolet script embossed across the front is pure nostalgia done right. As you move around the side. The proportions speak to the past, but the details tell a story of innovation. You've got short overhangs, flared fenders, and a strong shoulder line that runs the length of the body. Unlike most modern pickups that chase size and dominance, the 3100 plays it cool. It's compact, purposeful, and beautifully sculpted. It sits lower, with a slightly dropped stance that gives it an old-school hot rod flavor. The wheel choices range from clean 18-inch polished retro-style alloys to sportier, 20-inch blacked-out rims depending on your trim, and yes, white wall-inspired tires are an option for those really going for that heritage vibe around the back. The tailgate is stamped with bold Chevrolet lettering in old-school script, and the tail lamps are sleek LED units that manage to feel both timeless and futuristic. The bed itself features wood plank accents with metal trim and homage to the original but with modern weatherproofing and usability. There's a hidden power outlet and even underfloor storage, all neatly tucked away so the aesthetic remains clean and classic. Now, stepping inside, this is where the 2026 3100 really surprises you. The cabin blends nostalgia and innovation in a way that feels seamless. The dashboard is simple and symmetrical, with a center-mounted touchscreen framed by analog-inspired toggle switches and rotary knobs. The digital gauge cluster has a retro skin option, making it look like the original needle and dial layout, even though it's fully digital and customizable. The steering wheel is a modern three-spoke design, but the shape, color, and even the stitching nod back to the original. The materials are what truly elevate the experience. You've got two-tone leather seats, suede inserts, brushed aluminum, trim and stitched dashboard panels that feel premium without losing the 3100's humble roots. It's not flashy, it's tasteful. Storage is smartly integrated with underseat compartments, wireless charging built into the center tray, and cup holders that slide and tuck away when not in use. Even the shifter is a sculpted billet style piece that feels special every time you touch it. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers a few powertrain choices. There's a turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 that delivers around 325 horsepower and excellent torque for city and light-duty hauling. But the real story is the optional all-electric version, a clean-sheet EV setup built on a modified Ultium platform that's tuned for range, not just speed. It offers roughly 300 miles of range on a full charge and 0 to 60 times in the low 5-second range. Instant torque makes this compact pickup surprisingly quick off the line, but it still drives like a truck, solid, planted, and fun. The electric 3100 isn't just about performance, it's about character. You hear the faint whine of the motors, but it's otherwise whisper quiet, letting the world around you slow down as you cruise. It's got regenerative braking modes, a heritage chime that mimics old starter sounds if you want it, and driving dynamics that lean more toward smooth and confident rather than aggressive. The suspension is independent all around, giving it a car-like ride, while available all-wheel drive helps it stay composed in all weather conditions. Tech-wise, the 3100 comes with the latest Chevrolet infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air update capability. Safety is handled by a full suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, pedestrian detection, and even a semi-autonomous park assist, helpful when maneuvering this beauty into tight spots at car meets or downtown cafes. As for pricing, Chevrolet made sure to keep the 3100 in reach for both collectors and newcomers. The base turbocharged model starts around $38,000, offering an excellent entry point for a uniquely styled and well-equipped pickup. The electric version starts closer to $47,000, with higher-end trims nudging into the mid-50s depending on battery size, features, and finishes. It's positioned not to compete with full-size work trucks, but rather to offer something completely different. A stylish, compact truck with heart dot. So who is this truck for? It's for the enthusiast who appreciates the past but lives in the present. It's for the daily commuter who wants something functional and expressive. It's for someone who doesn't want just another truck. They want the truck people ask about at stoplights and coffee shops. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't the biggest, fastest, or flashiest vehicle on the road, but it just might be the coolest. Thanks for tuning in and riding along with us for this full review of the 2026 Chevy 3100. If you're into retro design, modern powertrains, and unique vehicles that break the mold, this truck is something special. Drop a comment below and let us know. Would you go gas or electric with this one? And how would you spec yours out? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Until then, stay curious, drive what you love, and we'll see you in the next one.